What are you? How are you today? Yes, we are very happy to see you. Thank you. Where are you from? It's nice to meet you. Okay, today we'll have a test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah, look at here and answer me. What animal is it?
Dog.
It is a dog.
It is a dog.
What animal is it? It is a... Is it a cow? Yes or no? Yes. What animal is it?
Chicken.
What animal is it? It is a... Is it a cat or is it a chicken? Baby? Is it a cat? Yes? No, it is a cat. Yeah. What animal is it? What animal is it? It is a duck. Yes. What animal is it?
Bird.
Okay. What color the bird?
Yellow.
Yellow, are you sure? Is yellow here and is a blue and white. Okay, so is the bird happy or is the bird sad? Happy or sad? Huh?
Happy.
What animal is it? It is it a sheep? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. What animal is it? It is a rat.
Rabbit.
What animal is it? It is a pig. Pig. Okay, so how many legs does the pig have? How many legs? 1, 2, or 3, or 4? How many? 4. 4 legs. Okay, now can you read it? Yes or no? Yeah. It's a farm.
It's a farm. Many animals and farm. Dog.
The brown dog
Wallet.
has 4 legs. Is a yellow chick.
A yellow chicken.
Yeah. What does the yellow chicken have? The yellow chicken has
A yellow chicken. 2 legs.
is a
It's a black rabbit.
the what has
1 leg.
and
2 eyes.
2 eyes and
1 mouth.
1 mouth
1 mouth.
and 2
2
ears.
ears.
Yeah. Is a black. What does a black girl have? Black girl has 1 mouth.
1 mouth.
Big mouth.
Mouth.
What animal is it? It's a yellow duck. Chicken here. This is yellow duck. What does the yellow duck have? Yellow duck has 2 legs.
2 legs.
Yeah. Farm animals are wonderful.
1